What's up everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Ford remote key fob. This key fob is going to be for the Ford vehicles that have a push button start ignition, and it's going to use replacement battery CR2450. I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can purchase these replacement batteries if you're in need. So the first thing we're going to do is remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of the key fob. That's done by pressing this button here that my thumb's on, and the emergency key will slide out like that. Now if we hold the key fob with the buttons facing down, and we take a look at the bottom of it, we see this kind of long notch slot right here. What I'm going to do is use the emergency key in that notch to pry up on this back cover. So push the emergency key in that slot all the way like that, and then I'm just going to angle it up a little bit and push up. And then once we get that back cover off, we see our battery right here. And then I'm going to grab a small screwdriver, or if you don't have something exactly like this, you just need something small enough to fit in this notch right here. And then I'm going to get in that notch, get under the edge of the battery and pop it out like that. Then I'm going to grab my new battery. And if we look at this hole that the battery goes in, you can see it's not perfectly round. This side right here is a little flatter. So what I'm going to do is tuck that edge in first, like that, and then snap it down. Once we have that snapped down, I'll grab the back cover, and I'm going to start the top of it in first. So I'll put it like that, kind of slide that top up like that, and then snap it down. Slide the emergency key back in, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out. And I'd appreciate it. Thank you.